What is anemia? Frailty is a condition wherein the quantity of red platelets or the hemoglobin focus inside them is lower than typical. Hemoglobin is expected to convey oxygen, and in the event that you have too not many or unusual red platelets, or insufficient hemoglobin, there will be a diminished limit of the blood to convey oxygen to the body's tissues. This outcomes in side effects like exhaustion, shortcoming, discombobulation, and windedness, among others. The ideal hemoglobin focus expected to address physiologic issues differs by age, sex, height of home, smoking propensities, and pregnancy status. Pallor might be brought about by a few variables. Supplement lacks through insufficient weight control plans or deficient retention of supplements, diseases, for example, jungle fever, parasitic contaminations, tuberculosis, HIV, aggravation, persistent sicknesses, gynecological and obstetric circumstances, and acquired red platelet issues. The most widely recognized dietary reason for frailty is lack of iron, despite the fact that lacks in folate, nutrients B12 and An are likewise significant causes. Iron deficiency is a serious worldwide general medical condition that especially influences small kids, discharging juvenile young ladies, and pregnant and post-pregnancy ladies. Who appraises that 40% of kids, 59 months old enough, 37% of pregnant ladies, and 30% of ladies 49 years old overall are iron deficient? Side effects of anemia iron deficiency can cause a scope of vague side effects, including sluggishness, shortcoming, unsteadiness or tipsiness, tiredness, and windedness, particularly upon effort. Kids and pregnant ladies are particularly defenseless, with additional extreme instances of sickliness prompting an expanded gamble of maternal and youngster mortality. Lack of iron paleness has likewise been displayed to influence mental and actual advancement in youngsters and decrease efficiency in grown-ups. Weakness is a sign of both unfortunate nourishment and chronic frailty. It is hazardous all alone, yet it can likewise affect other worldwide general well-being concerns, for example, hindering and squandering, low birth weight, and youth overweight and heftiness because of absence of energy to work out. School execution in kids and decreased work efficiency in grown-ups because of weakness can have further friendly and financial effects for the individual and family. Who responds to anemia? Precise portrayal of frailty is basic to figure out the weight and the study of disease transmission of this issue, for arranging general well-being intercessions, and for clinical consideration of individuals across the existence course. While lack of iron paleness is the most widely recognized structure and can frequently be treated through dietary changes, different types of frailty should be treated by tending to hidden diseases and ongoing circumstances requiring extensive well-being intercessions. WHO has direction that covers all WHO locales to assist with diminishing the predominance of weakness through counteraction and treatment. These rules intend to increment dietary variety, further develop baby taking care of practices, and work on the bioavailability and admission of micronutrients through stronghold or supplementation with iron, folic corrosive and different nutrients and mineral. Social and conduct change correspondence techniques are utilized to change nourishment-related ways of behaving. Intercessions to address the fundamental and essential reasons for paleness take a gander at issues, for example, infectious prevention, water, disinfection, and cleanliness, regenerative well-being, and main drivers like destitution, absence of instruction, and orientation standards. Iron deficiency, as a general medical problem, should be tended to according to numerous points of view and through different facilitated endeavors, including various government areas, non-governmental associations, joined countries organizations, and the confidential area, each with explicit and integral jobs to all in all accomplish paleness, decrease, and further develop well-being and prosperity.